Right now, floating invisibly in the air around you, there is more fresh water than exists in every river on Earth combined. The atmosphere holds 3.75 million billion gallons of it at any given moment, suspended and waiting. And all it takes to pull it out is a surface cold enough to make it condense. Today, I'm going to show you how to build an atmospheric water generator for about $10. No electricity, no moving parts, no monthly bill. One Saturday afternoon, and you've got a lifetime water source. You've already seen this physics 100 times. That sweaty glass on a hot day, that's condensation. Morning dew on your lawn, same thing. Ever walked through a spider web at dawn and noticed it was basically a water net? Spiders figured this out way before we did. The science is called the dew point. Every pocket of air holds water vapor, invisible water molecules just floating around. When that air hits a surface at or below a certain temperature, those molecules slow down, clump together, and turn back into liquid. No electricity required, just a temperature difference doing all the work. Ancient civilizations in Peru, the Canary Islands, and the Atacama Desert, one of the driest places on the planet, built stone walls and rock piles specifically to collect overnight dew. No river, no rain, no infrastructure, just physics. Today, villages in Chile, Morocco, and Nepal run giant fog catchers, some the size of a basketball court, to supply whole communities with water. So why isn't everyone doing this? Honestly, once indoor plumbing spread, the knowledge just got forgotten. And here's the wild part. Commercial atmospheric water generators that do the exact same thing sell for $3,000 or more. They just strap a compressor and a fan to it, so there's something to charge you for. What we're building today does it naturally for $12, and it'll outlast all of them. All right, here's your shopping list, and I want you to notice how boring it is, because that's the whole point. We're spending $10 to $15 total. First thing you need is shade cloth mesh, 6 by 6 feet. The weave matters here. You want something tight like a window screen, not landscape fabric, not a volleyball net. If you're standing in the store confused, just grab the window screen material, about $5. Next, 4 1-inch PVC sections for the frame, $2. And here's a tip. Most hardware stores will cut PVC for you right at the counter if you ask nicely, so no saw needed. Next are zip ties. You've probably got these laying around right now. Then you will need 1 plastic gutter section. This becomes your collection trough at the bottom where the water drips in. $3 to $4 at any hardware store. And finally, go outside and grab some bricks or rocks for free. We're just using them to prop the frame at an angle. That's genuinely it. No drill, no glue, and no special fittings. Now let's put it together. Start by laying your 4 PVC sections into a rectangle, roughly 4 feet tall by 3 feet wide. Zip tie the corners. You're not building a bookshelf, you just need it to hold shape and not blow over. Done. Stretch the shade cloth over the frame and pull it tight. No sag anywhere. Tap it. Should feel tight like a drum. If it sags, water will pool in the middle and evaporate instead of rolling down. Zip tie every 6 inches around all 4 edges and pull tight the whole way across. Here are 3 rules. Make sure you don't skip any of them. Rule 1, tilt it about 15 to 30 degrees, like it's leaning against a wall. Never flat. The angle is what makes droplets roll down to the gutter instead of just sitting there. Rule number 2, face it into the wind. Air needs to move through the mesh, not around it. Check which way the breeze runs at night in your spot. A weather app works, or just watch the trees at sunset. And rule number 3, get it off the ground, at least 1 foot up. Higher air is more humid. And position it away from morning sun. The whole point is collecting dew, and the first thing sunlight does is evaporate it. Place your gutter section directly under the lower edge. Droplets will form, roll down, and drip in. Optional if you would like, You can run a short tube from the gutter into a bigger storage container. Set it up before sunset. Collect at dawn. That's the entire operating procedure. Here's something most people don't know. Atmospheric water is actually one of the cleanest natural water sources available. It's never touched the ground, never run through pipes, never picked up agricultural runoff or sediment. It forms in the air before any of that contamination happens. The one thing to watch for is if you're setting this up near heavy traffic or industrial areas. The mesh can pick up urban particulates from the air. In that case, or just for peace of mind, you can run it through a simple bottle filter. Cut the bottom off a plastic bottle, flip it upside down, and layer cotton, activated charcoal, fine sand, and cotton from bottom to top. Pour your water slowly in the top, and purified water will drip from the neck. That will cost you about $3. Here are a few more options. 1. You can boil it for a minute to kill off any potential contaminants. Or add 1 drop of plain unscented bleach per liter and wait 30 minutes. Done. You now have cleaner water than most surface water you'd find in the wild. On an average night in decent conditions, you're looking at half a liter or more, minimum. Humid areas, such as coastal zones, river valleys, or anywhere that gets morning fog, can pull out 2 liters or more every single night. An average family of 4 needs about 8 liters of drinking water a day. A 10 by 10 foot mesh setup in the right climate hits that easily, completely off-grid, zero infrastructure, zero ongoing cost. The whole build is $10 to $15, and it works forever. No permits, no permissions, and no utility bill. It starts to pay for itself the first morning you start collecting from it. This setup works perfect for emergency prep, off-grid living, camping, and remote locations. This is even a great hands-on science project you can work on together with your kids. The physics is the same whether you're in Florida or Morocco. If you found this video useful, hit the like button. It genuinely helps more people find this channel. And if you want to keep building practical, low-cost skills like this, subscribe. New builds drop regularly, and we're just getting started. Drop a comment below. Where are you building this? In your backyard, bug-out location, campsite? I want to know. And if you actually build it, send me a photo or tag the channel. All of the best ones get featured. That's it. $12, 5 parts, 1 afternoon, 3.75 million billion gallons of water floating in the air around you right now. And you just learned how to catch it the same way many civilizations have been doing it for thousands of years. The best preps aren't the most expensive. They're the ones that work when everything else fails. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.